Welcome. My name is Mark. Whether you're a student, a small business owner, or just someone who wants to improve their Excel skills, you've come to the right place. Subscribe to our channel and join our community of Excel enthusiasts today. In this video tutorial, you'll see how to create a simple pie graph in Excel. Using a graph is a great way to present your data in an effective, visual way. Let's not waste any time. This is how to do it. Excel offers many different chart types, and choosing just the right kind of graph can make your data presentation clear and engaging. In this tutorial, we'll take some time to explore the pie chart, specifically, how to use it to present monthly sales, which you can see right here in this table. First of all, as usual, we need to select the area with the relevant data we want to present in the graph. Click on the Insert tab, go to the section Charts, and select the pie chart option. There are more chart design options to choose from, but for now, we'll pick the first one. Excel will immediately draw the chart and insert it into the spreadsheet. Now, let's see what we can do to improve the chart or customize it more to our liking. The position of the chart within the spreadsheet can be adjusted in a very simple way. Click on the blank space within the chart area. Hold the left mouse button and move the graph in any direction to place it exactly where you need it. You can easily adjust the size of the chart too. Simply by clicking into any corner of the chart area on one of the little circles, and dragging it in any direction until the size of the chart is just what you need it to be. The title of the graph now contains the caption, Chart Title. Of course, you can name your pie chart anything you want. Just click on the caption to make it editable and type in your own title. And we're still not finished here. The color and design of the chart can also be easily changed according to your preferences. Click on the blank space of the chart area again and go to the Design tab. Find the option Change Color to pick from a selection of colors. In addition, the whole graph design can be changed in a similar way. Return to the Design tab and look for Chart Styles. Click on the drop-down arrow and you'll see a list of options to choose from. You can select the style that suits you best. And here's one more thing before we finish. A graph in Excel is dynamic, which means that if you change any data in the source table, it will be reflected in the graph too. For example, we'll change the sales figure for February. The chart has automatically been updated to show this new value. If you found this tutorial helpful, give us a like and watch other video tutorials.